Similar to the justify content property, we have one align content property, but this works on the cross axis. So whatever the values justify content property accept, similarly align content accept all those same values. But for the justify content property, we don't have a stretch. We have flex start, flex end, center, space between, a space around, and space evenly. So let's experiment all these values one by one and see the result. So right now on this document we have a container which is wrapping all those boxes, and for the container inside the CSS we have applied display flex, and this time I have taken height 100 VH so that we should have some extra space on the cross axis also. So let's apply align content. We will be applying center value first. Let's save the file, give it a refresh here. Actually we didn't find any changes here, because for the align content property to work there is a condition. The align content property works only on the multi-line flex container. That means we must have more than one row inside the container. So right now we have just one row in which 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 items are sitting, but we need few items should be starting from new line actually. So to have a multi-line flex container, we will be applying some weight to these items. So if we apply flex wrap property, the item will be wrapped into the new line. So alright, let's have some width to all these boxes. So target box class. Alright, so now we'll be applying say width 300 px. Now save the file, give it a refresh. We have applied 300 px width, but still each and every items gets accommodated inside the container. That's the magic of actually flexbox. So now let's wrap our element. So for the wrap we have flex wrap property, flex wrap and wrap. Now save the file, give it a refresh here. Great, now we can see each and every items wrapped in new line. Now we have multi-line flex container. So that means inside this container we have 3 different rows, that is more than one. Now our align content property will work. So that's why we see here align content center. Each and every item is in the center of the container. So we have another values for the align content, that is say stretch this time. That's the default value. If we don't have align content, that means every item will be stretched to fill the extra space on the cross axis. Alright, now let's experiment all those values. Say flex start, all these items will be starting from the start point on the cross axis. And then we have flex end. Save the file, give it a refresh. Each and every item will be going towards the end point on the cross axis. And similar to the justify content property, we have also here space between. Save the file, give it a refresh here. Great, now we have equal amount of space between the items. That's the space between. We have a space around here also. Save the file, give it a refresh. Now the item will get exact amount of space around these items from the top also and from the bottom also. Next we have here evenly also, space evenly. Now save the file, give it a refresh. So now we have evenly space between the container line as well as the items, and between the items also. Alright, this is how align content works. So keep in mind, align content will only work when we will be having multi-line flex container. That means we must have more than one line in which items are sitting. Right now we have 3 lines, so that's why align content property is working here. Again, align content property will be working on the cross axis only. So now if we change the direction of our container, now let's change the flex direction column. Now save the file, give it a refresh. Now we have main axis going from top to bottom and cross axis is going from left to right. So our align content will be also working from left to right, that is on the cross axis. So let's experiment all those values for the column direction also. So we'll start from the stretch value. Let's apply stretch. Save the file, give it a refresh. The item is stretched, but the thing is we have applied some width also. That's why it is not stretching all over the container. So if we will get rid of this width. Now save the file, give it a refresh here. Now we can see our items are stretched on the cross axis because we have applied align content stretch. So let's see flex start. Save the file, give it a refresh. Flex start, then flex end. Save the file, give it a refresh. Flex end towards the end point. Then we have center also. Save the file, give it a refresh here. Align content, every item in the center, and then space between space around the items, then we have space evenly. Save the file, give it a refresh. Great. So now each and every item is having evenly spaced from the containers as well as from each other. Alright, this is how align content property works. The condition, always keep in mind, you must have multi-line flex container, and to get a multi-line flex container you must have flex wrap.